Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something extraordinary in store for you. We all dream of success, but what does it truly take to become a successful person? In this video, we will uncover the secrets and provide you with step-by-step guide to help you achieve your dreams and reach the pinnacle of success. So let's get started. The first step in becoming successful is to define your vision. Ask yourself, what does success mean to me? Is it financial freedom, a fulfilling career, or making a positive impact on others? Your vision will be your guiding star, fueling your determination along the way. Now that you have a vision, it's time to set clear and achievable goals. Break down your long-term vision into smaller milestones. Remember, each milestone accomplished will bring you closer to the ultimate goal. Embrace continuous learning. Learning is the key to growth. Successful individuals never stop learning. Invest in education, attend workshops, read books, and seek mentors who can inspire and guide you. Knowledge is power, and it will propel you forward in the journey to success. Develop resilience. In your pursuit of success, you will face challenges and setbacks. It is crucial to develop resilience. Embrace failures as learning opportunities. Adapt to change and keep moving forward with unwavering determination. Cultivate a positive mindset. A positive mindset is the foundation of success. Train your mind to see opportunities in every situation. Practice gratitude. Visualize your success and surround yourself with positive influence. Take action. Dreams and vision are essential, but they are meaningless without action. Take consistent and purposeful steps toward your goal. Break down big tasks into smaller ones and celebrate each achievement along the way. Embrace failure as part of success. Failure is not end, it's a stepping stone to success. Many successful people face numerous failures before achieving greatness. Don't be afraid to take risks and learn from your mistakes. Build a support system. No one achieves success alone. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and support you. Your support system will motivate you during tough times and celebrate your triumphs. Stay committed and persistent. Success does not happen overnight. It takes commitment and persistence. Stay dedicated to your goals, even when the going gets tough. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but the rewards will be worth it. Congratulations! You have now the tools and the guidance to become a successful person. Always remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep working towards your dream. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay inspired, keep striving for success.
If you want to see more videos on personal growth, success strategies, and motivational content, let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned, and remember, your success story begins now.